Hello, welcome back to my channel all of you. Today's grammar topic is right or wrong sentence. You have to identify which of the sentence is right grammatically, okay, and each question carries 1 mark. So let's start solving the question together. The first question is choose the correct sentence. Here you have been given 4 sentences. Now you have to identify which one is correct. First option, she don't like coffee. Next, she doesn't like coffee. Next, she doesn't like coffee. Next, she not likes coffee. Okay, these are the 4 options. Now choose the correct option out of these 4 options, or choose the correct sentence out of these 4 options. Which sentence is grammatically correct? Is it option A? Is it B? Is it C? Or is it D? Which one is it? If your answer is option C, you're absolutely right. She doesn't like coffee is the correct sentence out of these 4 options. Okay, and don't forget to give yourself 1 mark. Okay. Next question. Choose the correct sentence. These are your options. The childs are playing in the park. The children are playing in the park. The childrens are playing in the park. The childs are playing in the park. These are the 4 sentences. Identify which sentence is grammatically correct out of these 4 options. It is option B. The children are playing in the park. Next question. Next question. Choose the grammatically correct sentence. These are the 4 options. He go to school every day. Next, he goes to school every day. Next, he going to school every day. And the last, he gone to school every day. These are the 4 sentences. Now you have to identify which sentence is grammatically correct. Is it option A, B, C or D? Which one is the correct sentence? It is option B. He goes to school every day. Question number 4. Choose the grammatically incorrect sentence. Remember, here it's incorrect. Not correct, but incorrect. Okay. Let's look at the option. They have finished their homework. I has a new bicycle. We went to the zoo yesterday. She is reading a book. Now, out of these 4 sentences, identify the sentence which is grammatically incorrect. If your answer is option B, you're absolutely right. Well done. I has a new bicycle is the incorrect sentence out of these 4 sentences. And if you know the correct sentence, what should be the correct sentence? Do let me know in the comment section below. Okay, question number 5. Choose the correct sentence. Here are your 4 options. There is 5 books on the table. Next, there are 5 books on the table. Next, there are 5 books on the table. Next, there are 5 books on the table. These are the 4 sentences. They might sound similar, but every sentence is different from each other. Like in the first sentence, you can see it's written is. Okay. The next sentence, it is are. And here this is not book, it is book, and in the first sentence it was books. So for the next option, you can see it is having book, books, and the option B was having just the book. Okay, and the last option there, the spelling is, the there as spelling is different from the other there. Okay. So every sentence is different from each other. They might sound similar when I was speaking the option. So go through your options very carefully and choose the correct option out of these 4 options. So which one is the correct sentence out of these 4 options? It is option C. There are 5 books on the table. Next question, question number 6. Choose the grammatically incorrect sentence. Here it is incorrect sentence. You have to choose the incorrect sentence. Options are: my sister lives in Delhi. My brother plays football. They are going to the market. I have two pets. Now these are the four sentences in the form of four options. You have to choose which one is incorrect sentence out of these four sentences. So is it option A or B or C or D? Which one is the incorrect sentence out of these four sentences? It is option A. My sister live in Delhi. This is the incorrect sentence. And do mention in the comment section below what will be the correct sentence. Okay, just let me know. Okay, let's move on to the next question, which is question number 7. Choose the correct sentence. Options are: she can sing well. Next, she can sing well. Next, she can sing well. Next, she can singing well. These are the four sentences. Now identify the correct sentence out of these four sentences. It is option B. If you got it right, don't forget to give yourself 1 mark because each question carries 1 mark. Next question, question number 8. Choose the grammatically correct sentence. Here are your options. He didn't knew the answer. He didn't know the answer. He don't know the answer. And the last, he doesn't knew the answer. These are the four sentences. Kindly go through your sentence very carefully, read it once, twice, thrice, and choose your correct option. Which one is grammatically correct? Which sentence is grammatically correct out of these four sentences? If your answer is option B, you're absolutely right. Well done. He didn't know the answer. Okay. Question number 9. Choose the grammatically incorrect sentence. Here it is incorrect. Okay. Options are: I am going to school. Next, we was at the party. Next, they will come tomorrow. And the last, he is my friend. These are the four sentences. Choose the incorrect sentence out of these four options. It is option B. We was at the party. This is the incorrect sentence. And I want you to mention in the comment section below what will be the correct sentence. Okay. Okay. With that, we come to the last question of our questionnaire, which is choose the correct sentence. Here are your options. Each of the boys have a pen. Next, each of the boy has a pen. Next, each of the boys has a pen. And the last, each of the boys have pens. These are the four sentences. Identify which one is correct out of these four options. Okay, before I tell you the answer of this question, I want you, if you find my video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also mention in the comment section below how much did you score out of 10. Okay, coming back to the question, these are the four options. Which one is correct? Those who are saying option C are absolutely right. Well done. With that, we come to the end of this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye and happy learning all of you.